Well, the second painting that goes into my application for the Hopper Prize is my silk art painting Gaja. And I really enjoy so deeply that you have decided, you as jury, as organizers, to include textile art as a category. Because textile art is highly underrated in art, particularly in the Western world. And me as a silk painting artist, my heart just jumped when I saw it, and I thought, yes, I have to apply. And so I'm sending my Gaja into it. As you can see, this is a very smooth, thin satin silk. Actually quite heavy. It's a silk 14, but altogether compared to an oil painting, it is very light and delicate. But don't underestimate it, silk is strong. Now, my Gaja, beautiful, she was inspired actually by a post on Instagram from, let me get this right, Ehud Abrahamson. I love his posts. And he explained about the Van Allen belt in our universe. So just as a human body has an aura, an energy field, so does Earth, our beautiful planet. It's a blueprint. Planet Earth has the Van Allen force. It's called the Van Allen belt. They are force fields around the planet, and he actually turned a photo of it, an energetical photo, he turned it round and it appeared like an angel. And I thought, you know, this protective force as an angel, I was so inspired, I thought I have to paint it. So here's my Gaja with the heart section, with the energy field, with the Van Allen belt around her, and she of course presents our planet Earth, the beauty of it, nature and life force. So this is what I'm sending as my second painting into the competition, and thank you very much, I feel honored.